I like to eat seafood every time I go to the beach. I have 3 cats at home. I help my mother to prepare the meal. Sometimes I go to the beach with my boyfriend. I go to church every Sunday. I like to see the sunset in Ayapel. I like to dance in my free time. I watch TV with my cousin. I love fried fish without lemon. My mother likes to work hard. My cousin loves to go to parties. My grandmother is 87 years old. My cousin studies nurse at the university. I want to go to the beach next year. I hate to wake up early. Thank you so much for your attention.